Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows calcification in the uterus with the large ovarian cyst in a patient of about 70 years. The calcification looks to be age related. The patient is a female aged about 70 years. Now, the calcification often occurs after menopause since changes in the hormones can influence fibroid growth and degeneration. However, fibroids can become calcified during childbearing years as well. You can see the uterus. This is cervix. And you can see some microcalcification and calcified areas in the uterus. This is the microcalcification, small calcified areas seen in the endometrium, in the uterine parenchyma. Uterine arcuate artery calcification is an incidental finding on transvaginal and transabdominal pelvic sonography, and it is correlated with abnormal lipid profile and increased thickness of the intimal layer of the carotid arteries. Now you can see the uterus as well as the urinary bladder as well as the large right ovarian cyst. Benign calcification are considered harmless. No further evaluation or treatment is needed. Probably benign calcifications have less than 2% risk of being cancer. In other words, 98% of time, these types of calcifications are considered not to be cancer. Now, the endometrial microcalcifications are histological heterogeneous and are associated with older patient age, postmenopausal state, atrophic endometrium, and endometrial polyps. Now you can see a large right ovarian cyst. Now these most ovarian cysts are small sacs filled with fluid in the ovaries, but this is quite a large ovarian cyst. These are called simple ovarian cysts. If an unexpected cyst or enlarged ovary is found during a pelvic examination, you should have a vaginal ultrasound to assess for cancer. Ultrasound is usually the first imaging modality for assessment of ovarian lesions. Imaging features of simple ovarian cysts are in anechoic, intra-ovarian or exophytic. Now you can see the cyst is quite a large cyst, more than 10 centimeter into 9.5 centimeter. You can see this cyst has extended upwards up to the just below the umbilicus into the abdominal cavity. The differential diagnosis of benign ovarian cyst includes simple cysts, hemorrhagic corpus luteal cysts, dermoid, that is mature cystic teratoma, endometriomas, pedunculated fibroids, hydrosalpinges, paratubal and paraovarian cysts, peritoneal inclusion cysts, also known as pseudocysts. The complex ovarian cysts are those that contain either blood or solid substances. Simple cysts are relatively common and usually clear on their own. Complex cysts are more likely to need treatment. Most ovarian cysts are benign, meaning that they are non-cancerous. Again, you can see the large cyst. large ovarian cyst, and in this view it measures 11.4 centimeter into 11.6 centimeter. Quite a large ovarian cyst. Both endometriosis and PCOS can cause fertility problems. Most ovarian cysts are not cancerous, but complex ovarian cysts raise the risk of ovarian cancer. Most often, imaging tests like ultrasound or MRI can determine if an ovarian cyst or tumor is benign or malignant. They may also want to test the blood for CA125, a tumor marker, or perform biopsy if there is any question, any suspicion. To confirm or rule out ovarian cancer, your doctor may also perform a biopsy. Now, the functional tests normally shrink on their own over time, usually in about 1 to 3 months. If there is functional cyst, you may also be asked to check again in 1 to 3 months to make sure that cyst has gotten smaller or gone away completely. Multiple simple cysts are not harmless. Complex ovarian cysts such as dermoid and cystadenomas can grow too large. This can push the ovary out of place. It can also cause a painful condition called ovarian torsion, which means your ovary has become twisted. Complex ovarian cyst may need further treatment. 5 to 10% of women need surgery to remove an ovarian cyst. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.